Thank you for coming out on a snowy Salford evening to see all of us play on the last night of our first half of the Own From Own tour. We're going to start with a song called We Kill All. Something of significance for us all beyond the reach of the star. If I should pause, affecting each moment that we all would disintegrate if we could ascend into light years away. The old times collide into the fossils of all gone astray. For what is unattainable, we obliterate tomorrow's dreams. The cherished gift of the ones in which we can not receive, so it seems. Something of significance arose from beyond the reach of the stars. A flash of force affecting each moment that we are. into the fossils with your guns. Glittering tomorrow's dreams. The cherished guitar, the ones in which we cannot conceive, so it seems. So it seems. Thank you very much. Thanks so much. Can I have a little bit of reverb, Martin, on the mic there, please? Just a tiny bit. A bit more, anyway. Okay, this song is called Feel the Hunger. It's probably gonna lead off song on our next album. It's a song about dancing. On the lines of rush you are, running over your water like a diva looking every space, all over the place. All the time is cool and all the books, make your way to where the mirror frames you paint a face, frames you painting the face. It's a little better, a little rise. You don't feel good towing the line, but they won't understand as long as they won't treat you like a child they'll never love. You're good for the night, you long to dance. You are good for an ally. You're longing to dance. And all your heart is aflame. There's the fire in your soul. You dance to your soul. Hunger for the night, you long to dance. You're hunger for the night, you longing to dance. Good.